Hi, what's up guys, it's me Shan here and welcome to my channel. And if you want to add the missing road and missing street in your area, and you might think you should add there, and I'm gonna give you an instruction how you can add into Google Maps. So it's very easy. Just go ahead and type here Google Maps, hit enter, and then you're gonna click on the Google. So once you click on the missing road, it will give you suggestions. So like I have added there, and I will just add the name like into the correct name, that is Shan Street. That's it.